This is fun.
Yeah, dude, this is so fun. Oh, I think I'm getting dizzy.
Yeah, me too.
It's stopping. Are you okay, Toad?
Yeah, I'm fine. Yay. I like it.
Yo, dude, hurry up. Oh, I'm stuck.
Stop it! Stop it, please! Stop!
Dude, Toad, are you okay? Dude. Toad! No, dude! I'll call 911, okay? I'll call 911.
Okay.
Yes, Toad, the police are here, and the firemen. You'll be saved in no time.
Why'd you call us?
I called you because my friend got captured by a bird.
A bird?
Yeah, just come look.
Okay. Stop it! We'll need a ladder. Perfect.
Oh, dude, yeah, no, Toad!
Help!
Toad, where did he go? Is that all you guys can do?
Yes.
You guys just let him fly away.
Oh, never mind.
Toad! No, Toad's gone. No, wait, what? Where? Toad!
Help me, please!
Toad, I wanna come and get you. Toad, where are you? Toad! No! Toad! No! I'm gonna get you, Toad! Don't worry! Oh, that hurts! Oh, I'm still coming, Toad! Don't worry, I'm gonna come for you! Alright, where are you, Toad? Toad! No! Toad, just try to get out of his... No! Try to get out of his claws! There you are, Toad! I'm gonna get you! No! Alright, Toad! No! Oh, I need a ladder for this. Yeah, I need a ladder. I can't find a ladder, but please let me get Toad, please! The stupid bird. I want to kill you, bird! What? Where's Toad? Toad!
I'm right here!
Yay, Toad, I found you! Yay! Wait, you're an imposter. No, you're not. Yay! Let's go back to the tire. Yo, Toad, it's good to have you back. Yay! Wait, why is it stopping?
Yeah, why is it stopping?
No, Toad!